This sauce is very addictive that leaves you craving for more. Cashew, almond milk, and jalapenos combined together is a perfect sauce to keep one dipping and munching. Let's start by placing drained cashews, garlic, almond milk from the previous video, nutritional yeast, chopped jalapenos, pepper, chili flakes, lemon juice, sea salt, and psyllium husk. Blend 1 minute, speed 10. Scrape down the sides of the lid. The mixing bowl sides too. And look at the texture. This is the lovely texture that we want, and our sauce is ready. There you have it, a perfect sauce to keep one dipping and munching.